This is the standard equipment needed to build a custom mechanical keyboard to get all the crispy, orgasmic, thocky, poppy, clicky, bubbly. But why are we spending all this money on the Krytoxes and the Tribosises when you can dip into mummy's bedside table and snag yourself some quality used Durex Play, Massage 2-in-1 Intimate Lube and Massage Gel with soothing aloe vera. How to use. Take off the cap and squeeze the lube onto your intimate areas of your body. So here is the insides of the Gateron Milky Yellow. Generally, when lubing linear switches, you want to lube the bottom housing, main stem, and springs. Let's start with the bottom housing. I grab a small amount of lube, about the size of your dignity, and intimately caress it onto both sides of the slider rails. You want to give both rails equal attention, evenly sliding that slippery stuff up and down the rails until you see a slight moist sheen. The leaf of the switch will see the treatment that the rails are getting and wanting on some of the action. Give it some sympathy secondhand lube by brushing what scraps are left against the two bumps of its cold metal body. Just enough for it to feel satisfied without you thinking you actually care for it. Now for the stem. Dab another micro dollop of lube, then deposit half of the lube evenly on the stem sliders, back face, and front face with the switch legs. Then, once the outside is all lubed up, flip it upside down and go in deep, essentially caressing the stem in places it didn't realize it had. Finally, apply a few brushes to the tip. For the springs, I'm going to use 4 Seasons massage oil. Because I'm lazy, I'm going to use a condom lubing technique, which is similar to bag lubing, but has been proven to more evenly coat springs due to its optimized shape. Simply crack open a fresh franger, blow it up, and add a squirt of massage oil. Add all of your springs and jerk it up and down for as long as you've ever lasted. And there you have it, perfectly lubed springs. And now it's time to give back some dignity to the lubed milk yellows and put them back together. And now the climax of the video, the whole bloody point really, the actual sound test. As you can hear, using Mummy's lube does help reduce the scratchiness and pinginess of the virgin Gateron yellows quite effectively. It also provides a satisfying clackiness which is lost when using Krytox 205G0. My verdict? If you're broke, lubing with real lube and massage oil works. And if you're not broke, get out of this hobby or you'll end up having to lube with real lube and massage oil.